We're gonna do the 5 steps to success now. But before we start, you know, I tell you one very important thing. Always smile into the customer's eyes. The customer smile back. Just try it out. Smile, smile. And how they? Oh. Yeah, yeah. It's nearly the same. you have to enjoy. You just enjoy what we do. We do really. It will be very, very simple. We start with step number 1. Motivate yourself. So I'm gonna tell you one sentence, and you just repeat the sentence which I told you. Okay? I think I took the wrong guy, yeah? I mean, you're already motivated, Mr. Lohe. Thank you very much. You can sit down. No. Yeah, really, you can sit down. No. Yeah. Hey, I mean... we want to do a real thing, you know? He's motivated. I don't... So, let's... yeah, he's still drinking. He needs some. Yeah, this guy, come on, here to me. Yeah, give him a big hand. Oh, a German again. No. It'll be very easy. Mr. Manten. Yeah. Yeah, okay. You come from the same company like Mr. Lohe? No.
The same city. So.
Oh my God, so sit down again. No. Stay here. Now we're going to go on. We go on, yeah? But you work nicely now, yeah? Don't talk now. It's my show, okay? Okay. Motivate yourself. And you just repeat the sentence, yeah? You're totally relaxed. I mean, he's standing here. Okay. So, okay. I can do it.
I can do it.
I'm enthusiastic.
I'm enthusiastic.
Well, I'm enthused too, Mr. Lipa. It's not bad. It's not bad, but maybe you can tell the sentences with a little bit more power, with a little bit more ecstasy, you know? Give everything, okay? Okay, one more time. I can do it.
I can do it.
Yeah, I'm enthusiastic.
I'm enthusiastic.
Yes, I'm a winner.
I'm a winner.
Ja, unser Top-Down-Management und unsere Spin-Off-Taskforce sind trotz des ständigen Downside-Risk und des Upside-Potentials stets dicht am Consumer Demand.
I'm motivated.
Yeah, okay. Hey, a big hand of applause for Mr. Lipper. Yes, thank you very much. Very good.